Hello. So in this video I will show you how to get Bukkit and Spigot, and it's a Minecraft server and it's pretty easy. First thing I do is that I actually created for this tutorial this special folder on my desktop, and I'm going to download things in it. And the second thing I do basically is go to this website, Git for Windows, and I download it and then I install it. When you install this one, you don't have to do any changes during the install. The only thing you need to do is just press next. And when the installation is done, you go to a thing called Build Tools, and I put every link in the video description. And what I do here is that on the Build Tools history here, or the build history, I just press the latest build here, and then I just press BuildTools.jar, and I will download that to the Build Tools folder. Just save it, and it's almost done, like that. Now you can close this. So there you go, there's the Build Tools, but you can't really use this file directly. You need sort of a start file to start everything, and for that you need not a bat file, you actually need an sh file, because this is based on Python programming. And I put this link in the video description as well. And you're going to save this, save as, and it's going to be on the Build Tools, and you save it as like Start.sh. Keep it as normal text file. Save, and there you go. That's the start file. You can edit that as well. And what you do next is that you just double click this. And remember, when you have this this BuildTools.jar has to match this name. So that's important. So what you do now is that you actually double click, and it will actually start to do all the downloading. This may take a while depending on your internet connection and your computer. And when this is done, it will automatically close this window for you. So when you come back and the window is closed, you know it's sort of done. And this might take a couple of minutes, so I'll get back to you. Okay, the window has closed, and you now got a bunch of other folders and files in here. The ones that you are interested in is the Craft Bucket and Spigot files here, and you see it's 188. And these are actually two different servers. So Spigot is more an optimized version of Craft Bucket. So it depends on what you want to run. I usually run Spigot actually. So what you do is that you copy this file, and I'm actually going to create a new folder here, and Spigot, and I'm going to paste it in here. And to start the Spigot server, you actually need a bat file. And what you do is that you create this, or paste this, and I will have this in the video description as well. And this this name here has to match that file. It's quite important, otherwise the server won't start. And of course you need to select the memory, and I would suggest that you run the server on at least 1 gig of memory if you just a few people on it. But I would say that a minimum of 2 gigs. So you can type like 2 capital G, or if you want to be more exact, 248 megabyte, and the letter has to be in capital, otherwise it doesn't work. And then you need to save this as, and you just start.bat, and of course you need to save that in the same folder here, the spigot, like that. So now you got the start file. Now the only thing you need to do is just double click this, and the server will start, and you see the amount of memory it will have for it, and it will automatically close, because you need to sort of accept the EULA. So you double click that EULA text file, and you change over here to true and save the file, and then you actually start the server again. And it will start to create the world. Itself, and it's going to be sort of random, and I will show you how to sort of do all the settings in a separate video, but this is just a basic Spigot server. And of course when it creates the new world it will take some time, but now you actually got a running Spigot server. And if you want to stop it, you just type stop and enter. Whoops, like that. So yeah, that's how you get Spigot and Craft Bucket, and it's the same thing if you want to use a Craft Bucket server. It's the same kind of start file. The only difference is this jar file. So yeah, that's how you do it.